you or someone you know is over 60 and has trouble with restless leg syndrome or cramping in their legs? Then listen up, because there's a secret that doctors don't want you to know about, and it could change your life forever. I'm talking about a vitamin that's so powerful that it can revolutionize your leg health and banish cramps forever. In fact, just look at this amazing success story. Helen was a 62-year-old woman who suffered from severe restless leg syndrome. She tried everything from massages to medications, but nothing worked. Then she discovered a game-changing vitamin that not only got rid of her cramps, but also improved her sleep and energy levels. Now, before we reveal the name of this miracle vitamin, let me explain why it's so important for seniors. 2. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at absorbing certain nutrients, which can lead to a variety of health problems, including muscle cramps and weakness. That's because one of the most important vitamins for maintaining strong and healthy legs is vitamin D, and it's estimated that 42% of adults aged 60 and over are deficient in it. But there's a catch. Your body can only absorb a limited amount of vitamin D from sunlight, which means that many people, especially seniors, don't get enough of it. And when you're deficient in vitamin D, it can cause all sorts of problems, from bone pain and muscle weakness to fatigue and insomnia. But the good news is that there is an easy and effective way to boost your vitamin D levels and improve your overall leg health. Are you ready to unlock the secret? It's this one vitamin that has been shown to have incredible benefits for seniors. Not only does it eliminate leg cramps and boost your energy, but it also strengthens your bones and reduces inflammation. Plus, it's completely natural and has no side effects. In fact, this vitamin is so effective that doctors are now recommending it to their patients as a way to improve their overall health and well-being. Now, you may be wondering how you can get this miracle vitamin into your daily routine. The answer is simple. Just take one capsule a day and watch what happens. Within a few weeks, you'll start to notice a difference in your energy levels. You'll feel more awake and alert, and you'll have the strength and stamina to do the things you love. And that's just the beginning. As your vitamin D levels rise, you'll also start to experience other amazing benefits, like improved sleep, better balance and coordination, and a stronger immune system. Plus, you'll also get stronger, leaner muscles, which will make it easier to get around and do the activities you enjoy. And if you suffer from chronic pain or inflammation, you'll be happy to know that this vitamin can help with that too. Many users have reported feeling less pain and inflammation throughout their bodies, which means they're able to move more freely and comfortably, too. It's incredible how this one vitamin can make such a big difference in the lives of seniors. It's like a natural pain reliever, a sleep aid, and an energy booster, all in one. And the best part is that it's safe and effective. Unlike medications, it has no side effects, and it won't interact with other drugs you may be taking. So, if you're tired of suffering from leg cramps, pain, or weakness, it's time to try this miracle vitamin. Just click the link below to get your supply today. And don't wait. This offer is only available for a limited time. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the amazing benefits of this vitamin. First and foremost, it's a natural pain reliever. If you suffer from any type of leg pain, whether it's due to cramps, injuries, or other issues, this vitamin can help. It reduces inflammation and speeds up the healing process, so you'll feel better, faster. Plus, it's also a natural energy booster. If you're feeling tired and drained all the time, this vitamin can help you get back your pep. It improves circulation and oxygen flow to your muscles, which gives you the stamina and strength you need to get through the day. And it's also a great way to improve your sleep. If you're struggling to get a good night's rest, this vitamin can help. It promotes relaxation and helps you fall asleep faster, so you can wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. And if you're looking to maintain a healthy immune system, this vitamin is a must-have. It boosts your body's natural defenses, so you can stay healthy and avoid getting sick. So, if you want to improve your overall health and well-being, it's time to try this miracle vitamin. Just click the link below to get your supply today. And don't wait. This offer is only available for a limited time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.